Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your canvas size on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my canvas, and you can find a toolbar at the left side of the screen. Here, go to the last icon, the canvas, and the lower left corner of the screen. Click that, and here you can find the first option, the change canvas size. Click that, and you can edit the size of your canvas, and if you don't, click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.